Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to tell you what is the difference between RGB and CMYK. So as all of you might be knowing, RGB is the fundamental color of red, green and blue which mix up together using intelligent systems in our devices like mobiles, TVs, computers and any other electronic or digital device. So it uses these three fundamental colors red, green and blue to combine and make all of these colors visible to us. So RGB is one technology and other technology is called CMYK, which has fundamental colors as cyan, magenta, yellow and key. Key means black color, so CMYK means cyan, magenta, yellow and black. So what is the thing that CMYK is used in most of the printers and all of the physical media in which we have all the printed documents, newspapers. So everything consists of CMYK colors. So the main difference between RGB and CMYK is that RGB is mostly used in the digital form of media, whereas CMYK is used in the physical forms of media like newspapers or printed documents. So the main difference is that there's a lot of color difference between RGB and CMYK because of the component colors that combine together to form the colors that we see. So you might have noticed that RGB colors are like bright, they are kind of shiny on the display, but once they get printed out, they look different on the paper. It's because of the change in RGB and CMYK. It's because of the change in the component colors. So even Photoshop has a special tool to make to give us the preview of how a printed document will look once it is printed in CMYK. So right now, this is the photo in RGB. You can verify that by looking over here. In the bracket, it's written RGB. It means this is the RGB image. And to get the CMYK, what we are going to do is just go to image, and in image we have this option as mode. So once you click on mode, you get this drop down where we are currently using RGB color. I can just click on CMYK and I'll just click on OK. So you can see the difference in the color. So this is CMYK, as you can see in the bracket as well. This is CMYK and this is RGB. Can you see the difference between the luminance of blues and the other darker colors such as purple and green and orange? Whereas in CMYK, all these colors are faded away and they look kind of too grungy and on the faded side. But again, as you can see in RGB, the colors are too bright and they look more appealing than the CMYK colors. So what is the use of this CMYK mode on Photoshop? The main use of using the CMYK mode on Photoshop is to just see how your photos are going to look when they get printed out. And most of the design companies and agencies ask you to send the CMYK copy of the design because they want to see what the image and the advertisement will look after it's got printed out. So well, that's the basic difference between RGB and CMYK. Hope you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.